Hello, today I'm in Mitsubishi ASX. In this video I'll show you how to change system language. In the beginning we have to activate voice setup and follow the next steps. So let's start. Setup.
Ready.
Setup.
Select one of the following: pairing options, confirmation prompts, language, password, select phone, or select music player.
Language.
Select a language: English, French, Spanish, Italian, German, Dutch, Portuguese, or Russian.
English.
English selected. Returning to main menu.
And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.